right, let's be real. If the word luxury was a food, it would be caviar. Or as it's sometimes known, caviar. But is it an experience worth making your bank account cry? Well, gather around, big spenders. This class is in session. Today, we're teaching you everything you need to know about caviar. We'll cover the do's and don'ts, production secrets, and caviar's value in sheep.
What did you say?
Yep, I said sheep. How many sheep was a single jar of caviar worth during the 2nd century BCE? Was it 10? 100? 1,000? 10,000? We'll have this answer and more coming up. Caviar is a delicacy coveted by the most refined foodies. Served raw, these pearls of gourmet cuisine are as luxurious as they are expensive. But remember, you're not ordering an appetizer, you're ordering an experience. Before the caviar gets to you, it keeps you in suspense by sitting at room temperature for 5 to 10 minutes to develop a stronger flavor. Even the forks are fancy. Because metal can interfere with caviar's flavor, diners use special forks made of horn, bone, or mother of pearl. With the mood set, you take your first bite. As you inhale the first smell of seaweed, the delicious gems burst in your mouth and release their salty flavor. Sweet, salty, raw fish eggs. Yep, take away all the prestige and what you're eating is fish eggs.
Ooh, that's good.
Specifically, they're raw eggs harvested from the sturgeon family, including beluga, osetra, and sevruga fish. But fish trivia aside, why do these eggs talk such a big game? Well, after harvesting the eggs from the sturgeon, they are super fragile. This means you're basically combining farming with archaeology.
That was 90% gravity.
The eggs have to be meticulously inspected and handled by removing the membranes, extracting broken eggs, and rinsing away impurities. All this must be done with the precision of a master restoration artist.
Mother of Jesus of Nazareth!
After separating the eggs from the water, they get delicately salted. Here's a pro tip. The sweet spot for high-quality caviar is less than 3% salt. After the eggs are carefully hand-packed into ornate tins, they're left to age for 3 months to develop flavor. Needless to say, you're not just paying for an ordinary seafood special, and that's been the thinking for centuries. Called the black gold of the Caspian Sea and the Black Sea, caviar quickly rose to the top of the rich social stratosphere by the year 2 BCE. A single jar of caviar was equal in value to,
wait for it,
100 sheep. If you guessed 100, congratulations. You know your sheep, and we respect that. But we're not here for the sheep. We're here to experience the best caviar the world has to offer.
You know me well.
The most expensive variety of caviar is the almas. Almas is made using eggs harvested from a rare albino sturgeon found only in the Caspian or Black Seas. And when we say rare, we also mean expensive.
Challenge accepted.
A single kilo of almas caviar will set you back over $30,000.
Are you kidding me? What?
So if you're looking for something a little more reasonable, you may want to shop locally. Domestic caviar tends to be much more affordable. It doesn't have to go through the taxes, permits, and duties charged on imported caviar. American caviar from American white sturgeon usually costs around $80 per 28 grams.
That was my guess!
Congratulations! You've completed Caviar 101 and are ready to take your first taste in the glamorous world of luxury cuisine. Think you're ready for something like foie gras? We'll find out on another episode of Origins of Food.